Dear students, now let us discuss about entrepreneur mobility. Means movement of entrepreneurs from one location to another, and similarly from one occupation to another, which affect the pace and pattern of entrepreneurship development. Based on the movement and settlement of entrepreneurs, because they are all human beings, entrepreneur mobility may be classified into locational mobility and occupational mobility. Locational mobility. Locational mobility is a movement or change in location. This mobility depends upon some factors like availability of raw materials, infrastructure, labor, nearness to the market, own resources, knowledge, experience, socio-political situations, etc. Occupational mobility is movement or changes in occupation. Now this may take in two forms. One, intergeneration movement, and the other intra-generation occupational movement. Intergeneration movement means when a person may move or leave from the principal occupation of his or her father, which we call it as intergeneration movement. Coming to intra-generation occupational movement, when a person may move or leave from his or father's own occupation during the operational career, which we call it as intra-generation movement. Now, let us discuss about the factors which influence the entrepreneur mobility. Some important factors that influence the entrepreneur mobility are education, training and experience, availability of facilities, political conditions, and the size of enterprise. Now, let us discuss the factors in detail. The number one is education. An entrepreneur must be educated person. He or she also enables to adjust with the different conditions more easily and clearly and communicate others in a better manner. Thus, an educated entrepreneur tends to be more mobile than uneducated one. Second one is training and experience. An entrepreneur must be properly trained and must be have some past experience in business or industry. An experienced entrepreneur better perceives the available opportunities, better analyzes his or her strengths and weaknesses, and also understands the complexities involved in running the enterprise. That technical knowledge and experience influence the entrepreneur mobility. The third factor is availability of facilities. Entrepreneur may move from the areas with no or less facilities to the areas with more and better facilities. Now, generally, when we speak about the facilities are classified into two in general: government facilities and infrastructural facilities. Now, when we speak about government facilities, the land, the policies, the other factors which influence the government or the local body to the entrepreneur. Under the infrastructural facility, it may be the availability of raw material, the labor, the market facilities, the transportation, etc. The fourth one is political conditions. Any entrepreneur, this particular factor is the most important one. The more the stability of a government or political structure of that particular area or the state or country, the more growth of an entrepreneur can be achieved. Generally, the entrepreneur mobility is influenced by the political factors such as tax policy, employment, environmental regulations, political stability, trade restrictions, the tariffs, taxes, etc. And the fifth one is size of enterprise. Entrepreneur mobility is related to the size of enterprise. The large business houses are found more mobile than smaller ones because size of an enterprise will have the capability to start a new business at a new place.